Do you remember when AI videos from just a few years ago looked obviously fake and everyone could immediately tell they were computer generated? Well, those days are gone. Google recently announced VEO 3 at their I/O event, and the videos it produces are absolutely incredible, basically indistinguishable from real footage. Today I'm going to show you some examples created by VEO 3 and walk you through all the important details about this groundbreaking announcement. What makes VEO 3 especially fascinating isn't just the video quality on Dunch, which alone is impressive, but the entire package. For the first time, it can generate voices and audio natively within the platform.
VEO 3 can generate sound effects, background sounds, and dialogue.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
That means you no longer have to rely on different software for audio and voice generation. Everything can be created in one place. You get cinema-grade 4K quality, natural lighting, and physics that almost perfectly mimic reality, plus built-in audio creation. And importantly, no more awkward lip sync issues or unnatural hand and gesture movements. Based on Google's presentation, VEO 3 is currently outperforming every other video generator from other companies. They showed examples at the event that simply weren't possible even a few months ago.
I can get the perfect ending that I've been working towards.
So let's break down what really sets VEO 3 apart from previous models. First, the video quality is truly unprecedented. In the examples they showed, we see genuine 4K output, realistic physics simulations like flowing water, fabric movements, and natural human motions. The lighting and shadows remain consistent across multiple scenes with highly accurate facial expressions and body language. VEO 3 also boasts revolutionary audio features, including built-in dialogue generation that perfectly syncs with the character's lip movements.
According to this old sea chart, the lost island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately.
The system also generates ambient sounds that match the environment, supports multiple voice styles and emotional tones, and integrates background music and sound effects seamlessly.
I'm one with nature now.
On top of that, VEO 3 offers advanced camera controls, allowing professional-level movements like pans, tilts, and dollies. You also have options for depth of field and focus control, cinematic framing choices, plus the ability to extend and modify scenes. This is huge. It's like having a full Hollywood production crew at your disposal, letting you direct without needing to master every little production detail or spend huge sums on elaborate setups. At the I/O event, Google also introduced Flow, their new AI filmmaking platform. Flow combines multiple generation methods within a single integrated interface. It's designed to help creators make complete multi-scene videos with professional quality. Some key features announced include text-to-video generation with detailed prompt controls, frame-to-video for precise visual adjustments, scene-building tools for longer narratives, and seamless integration with Gemini for image generation. What makes Flow stand out compared to other platforms is its all-in-one approach. Instead of fragmented tools, it offers a unified package. Plus, it provides better audio and visual synchronization than competitors. And it's specifically built for storytelling rather than just generating separate video clips. From the demos, the current strengths of these new tools include realistic human performances with dialogue, and natural environments, believable physics, consistent characters across scenes, and professional, smooth camera work. As for limitations, based on the demos, there are still a few challenges. Brand-specific recreations remain difficult. Complex multi-character interactions aren't quite possible yet, or don't look very polished, and fast action or very quick movements still need improvement. Now let's talk pricing, which is on the higher side. VEO 3 is available through the Google AI Ultra subscription, costing $125 for the first 3 months, then $250 per month thereafter. Each 8-second video clip uses roughly 150 credits. Currently, this service is limited to the US, but will be expanding internationally soon. And as a nice bonus, the subscription also includes a free YouTube Premium membership. So how will this impact the filmmaking industry as a whole? First off, it's going to democratize high-quality video production. In the near future, you won't need massive budgets or a full Hollywood studio to create stunning cinematic videos or animated characters. Filmmakers and advertisers will be able to produce many more variations of their videos and ads, test different angles more often, and do it all faster and for less money. This technology will find uses not just in film and TV, but also marketing, education, social media, content creation, and even gaming. Of course, there are legal and ethical concerns to keep in mind. Google touched on these during the announcement, including the need for disclosure when content is AI-generated, copyright questions, risks of misuse such as deepfakes, and the safeguards Google plans to put in place. Let's take one last look at the demos to see just how far AI video generation has come over the past few years.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Clearly, this technology has advanced dramatically. I highly recommend that everyone watching starts paying attention and learning how to use these tools, because it won't just be AI itself changing the game, it will be other creators leveraging this tech to produce better, faster, and more content. If you want to learn more about AI content creation and how to monetize it, make sure to subscribe for weekly videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video.